Sticking with our weather, breaking overnight, ABC4's Kayla Baggerly is there, live in Draper, looking at the damage from the storm and how it's affecting drivers this morning.
So, Kayla, what are you seeing out there?
Jillian, it was quite a mess last night. Now, we're on Bangerter Parkway, which is closed still, and this is just one of several closures following those floods. It's quite an improvement compared to the rushing waters of yesterday, but you can see there are still piles of debris, rocks, mud, and the crews have been out here working to clean that this morning. Draper City Mayor Walker declared a state of emergency following the floods last night. He says it started when the south end of the valley was pounded by a big rainstorm. The floods leading to damage of public infrastructure and causing several road closures. He says one part of the road has been compromised and washed out, the storm taking out the sidewalk. Viewers sent us videos of the floods showing just how hard and fast it came down.
All of a sudden you can hear the lightning, thunder, and then as we were looking, the rain was just coming down hard. Then you can kind of hear these sounds of cars, and I looked out of the window and I thought, oh my gosh, these are really actual rocks coming down. They were spread all over Bangerter Parkway here. It was insane.
Road closure areas are Highland Drive, Bangerter Parkway, and Minuteman Drive. Keep in mind this may impact your morning commute and plan accordingly. Draper City has been coordinating with Salt Lake County Emergency Services, and now their focus is on cleanup. The mayor said that could take several days. Reporting live in Draper, Kayla Baggerly, ABC4 News.